Hello and thank you for watching. I'm Ashley Van Dyke with Advantage Software, and on today's video, Cloud Conflict Maker, I'm going to show you another great Python plugin that you can use today. The Cloud Conflict Maker is going to be found in the plugin store, so I'm going to go to Support, Plugins, Plugin Store, and in this list, I'm going to choose Cloud Conflict Maker. I'll choose Download, OK. And if I go to Manage Plugins and select Cloud Conflict Maker, we see that it's going to add a Tools Cloud Conflict Maker item to the menus. So I need to enable this. I'll choose Enable, press OK, yes to reboot Eclipse. Next, I'll go back into Eclipse. And now, if I go to Tools, I have a Cloud Conflict Maker option. So if we return to Plugins, Manage Plugins, according to the Cloud Conflict Maker, I do need to be inside of a dictionary and have a conflict entry highlighted. Then I can use this to scrape wordassociations.net automatically for word associations to create a cloud conflict. So I'm going to open my main dictionary. I'm going to sort my dictionary to show me only conflicts. And this looks like a good opportunity for a word cloud conflict. Because that was a long haul, could refer to a sea voyage or a hallway. And so if I look at this conflict and go to advanced, I don't currently have any AI data at all, and it's not listed as a word cloud conflict. So I'm going to select this conflict, go to Tools, Cloud Conflict Maker, and as long as I like the results, I can just press OK to accept them. And now it says that a cloud conflict was created for Hall and Hall. And if I open this conflict, I see that I now have 197 AI data contexts. And you see that each of these words has been automatically associated for me. And if we look at the AI section, we see that it's identified as a cloud conflict, and it tells me how many of those AI data entries it has. So this is a great and automatic way to create and start using cloud conflicts immediately. If you've been unsure of which words to associate with which conflict option, or you simply don't want to build those associations manually, this new conflict creator is going to save you a ton of time and get you an even cleaner translation the first time. And don't forget that voice users can make use of this function as well. Don't forget that Advantage Software offers anytime support. Tech support is available for any question, anytime, including weekends and holidays, at 772-288-3266. Email support is also available at support@eclipsecat.com. Thank you for watching this video. Please hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so that you'll be notified when we publish new content in the future. Thank you so much and have a great day.